Hi, I'm Rosalie, and in this short video, I would like to show you how easily you can add a Book Now button to your landing page or website. To integrate the Book Now button, you need the API key assigned to your Booksy account. You can find your key in the back office under My Business Details right here. Simply select the key code and copy it. Now, moving on to the code generator. Make sure to use the URL corresponding to your hosting region, booksy.com for North America or booksy.eu for Europe. You need a valid API key to create your first Book Now button, so I will paste mine here in the configuration panel. As you can see, the code preview panel has been automatically updated, showing me how it should be implemented. Simply click on the Run to create your button, and I can now test my button here. Now, let's copy that code into an actual web page. I'm using w3schools.com Triad Editor as a convenient testing environment. I have a simple HTML page I designed, and I will be adding the Book Now button right here. First, I select and copy the Book Now library from the head tag. Then, I paste it within the head tag of my page. Notice the library URL booksy.com and not booksy.eu, as my Booksy account is hosted in North America. Then, I select and copy the Book Now configuration code from the body tag here, and then I paste it on my own page here, at the beginning of the body tag. Finally, I simply copy the button code here. Then I paste it in my web page, where I want the button to be displayed. These two lines, here and here, are only useful if you plan on using Google Analytics. If you want to remove them, you can remove them like this. Click on Run and test your button. Here it is, and it works. Now, let's use our own button to open Book Now so I have full control on how it looks. I simply add this line here, which also calls the book function when the button is clicked, and I remove the line I took from the generator. Click Run again, my button fits my design, and it works. We now have a fully integrated booking solution on a website, only within a few minutes. This concludes our video tutorial on how to integrate the Book Now button to your webpage. I hope you found it useful. In our next video, we will have a deeper look at properties and features supported by the widget. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.